Hi, it's Karen. I have been asked to do another TEMU unboxing. So for the person who wanted me to do this again, please be sure and hit that like button, you know, the thumbs up. Okay, so let me try to open this without cutting any of my items. I remember some of what I ordered. So let's see what it is. Okay, I got 2 of these. For one thing, any ad you see on Facebook and you think you want to buy something, see if TEMU has it first. Because I ordered this on Facebook and I spent like, I don't know, $20 or $30 for one of these. And I still don't have it yet. So it's, I don't know where it's coming from. But it's this. And I got 2 of them. One for me and one for a friend. And I will tell you what this is. Let me open it and I'll show you what it is. Oh my God, it's so difficult. Okay. So it is a necklace. I'm gonna have to undo it. I was hoping it would just go over my head. Anyway, it's a necklace that you can wear, but also, let's see. It's supposed to give you the sensation that you're vaping or smoking to help you not smoke. Really, it's just a hollow tube. Can you see through there? Oh, see my hand through there? It's just a hollow tube. It's like a straw. There's no resistance. But maybe it will help with the sensation of vaping or smoking, and you can help yourself stop. So these on Facebook cost me like $20 something. I got 2 of these, and each they are, you want to take a guess? Take a guess how much I paid per necklace on TEMU. And it is this amount. I don't remember it, so, you know, I'll look it up later and put it there. And what do we have? Oh, this is for your feet. Because I think I'm out of alignment or something. So you put your big toe here, and there's a cushion there, and it's supposed to help your toes align back. Okay, so I got that. How much is that? It's a set. There's 2 of them. So for this set, it is, take a guess. What do you think? All right, what else? And this, I believe I have also seen an ad on Facebook. It's supposed to be a fantastic bra. It's a front closure, feels soft enough, and it snaps. So I will test this out and let you know what I think and if it fits, because I went by their chart to see what size to get. And what size? This says it's a 3XL. So there's a chart to go by. Who knows how much it was on the Facebook ad, but then TEMU has it for this amount, whatever that is. And then there's something black in a package. I don't know what it is. I still don't know what it is. What did I order? Okay, it's very thin. I was expecting this thing to be thicker. So when it's gonna snow or ice, where is, okay, that's where I should look. When it's gonna snow or ice over your car, this is for your windshield. You put this on your windshield, and then when it ices over, you just peel it off. And I think I got 2 of these. How much was this? It's very lightweight. It looked like it was gonna be thicker, but hopefully it works. I'll find out in several months, probably in January in Texas, because we've had bad winters. So that is this amount. Okay, this is to clean out my dryer vent in my clothes dryer. So you like stick that down in there. That looked inappropriate. Anyway, that's a good size. That ought to do the job. Saying all the inappropriate things if you have a dirty mind. So this is how much? What do you think? Da-da-da. I don't remember, so we'll find out. Hey, this is for your closet. So you can hang your, there's 2 of them. It's a set of 2. Oh, and it'll hook on each other too. And you can hang all your like tank tops around here, and they'll take up less closet space, supposedly. And this set, I don't know if this will fit around my closet thing. I don't know if that's gonna work. It's kind of tiny. But I'll have to let you know, I guess. This set was, how much do you think I paid for that? Hopefully not a whole lot, huh? This amount. Oh, this is a little sign with a rope. Oh, can you read it? It says Merry Christmas, but it has, like, it's a ocean theme. See? Woohoo. Ocean theme. It's got seashells, and it's like that teal blue color, and it comes with a little rope so you can hang it in circles. So it's for Christmas. And how much do you think this cost? Whatever that amount was. Didn't I order 2 of those? Maybe I just ordered 1 of the windshield things. I only see 1. Here's the other necklace. Maybe I just ordered the 1. Okay, all right. And then I have a MacBook Air case cover, plastic. So it can help protect my MacBook Air. And it's kind of a lavender color. And how much do you think this costs? Got little stoppers. Cost this amount. So I don't know, I think I probably spent like 30 bucks or something on the whole thing. Okay, I don't know where this just came from. I have no idea what this is. I figured out what these things are. I guess they're little suction cups, and they go on the, the windshield cover. You can push them through the little hole, and this is supposed to suction to your window, I guess. That is all. I don't know. Anyway, so that is my latest TEMU order, and hope you enjoyed that. And if enough of you like it, make comments and maybe even subscribe to me. Maybe TEMU will sponsor me and give me free TEMU stuff. Do y'all want to help me get free TEMU stuff? Anyway, thanks for watching. If you made it all the way through, that's all. Okay, bye.